Hey, what's up, motherfucker?
Welcome back to another Kika video. Vamos pa dónde vamos, güey? ¿Pa dónde vamos?
Vamos a ATI.
Vamos al ATI.
Con las bichis, right now.
Cálmate, tú no vas a rayar. But yeah, we getting gas right now. That boy area.
Ya, sáquese que sale, sáquese.
A la R. Anuel. Doble R. Hell yeah. Gonna ride out. With David, Frankie, Monster going here. With the lights on, shit finna die. God, well, we got like 2.5 hour ride? 2 hour 15? 2 15 hour ride. And then it's an hour to the speedway. We stay in Milledgeville. My boy Trent, shout out to him.
Alright, well, we about to head to Milledgeville right now. To my boy Trent's wife's house, I think so.
They got a lake house. So we're gonna spend time out there on the lake. I don't know. Let's see what we do. Los Chicos out there, we're gonna pull up on them too. I don't know if we're gonna have time to do that, but if we do, we're gonna get some of that footage for y'all. But right now we're finna ride out. Compa Frankie, ya sabes, al pendiente, ya sabes. Ya la chicoteó.
Ya se me chingó.
El lean.
Vamos a llegar con la chapa en la mano.
But yeah, we catch y'all over there when we get there. Well, yeah, guys, we are here. Mira, hay que echar gas porque ya mamaron las mamalonas. Mira, eso llenaba un tanque, pero no han parado. Nosotros, como somos más culos, le echamos.
Y eso que no hay money today.
Ah, no hay money today.
Andamos con puro tanque lleno y no más.
Ah, huevo. Yeah, pero no. Ahí están. Ahí echando gas. Again. Oh shit, did I even hit 93 times? Let's see. Yeah. What we doing?
Actually, now it's the next morning, man. We already woke up, showered, and thought it back. We about to go head to the show at ATI.
It's early in the morning too. It's early in the morning.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Espérate, güey. Yeah, we're gonna ride out. So we're actually gonna be taking this truck instead of mine. Cause I actually bought a ticket or a registration or whatever, and David didn't get to buy one, but he has wheels on his truck, so we're just gonna take his. Might as well. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. So fuck it. And it right here.
I will.
Wait. Smoke 'em. Voy a traer un mollo. Vamos, güey. ¿Pa dónde vamos?
ATI,
Vamos para la ATI. Frankie, ¿pa dónde vamos a la verga, güey?
Trucking Invasion, yes sir.
Yes, sir. ¿Estás listo, qué pedo?
Andamos ready.
A la verga. What up? You ready?
Tengo sueño.
Espérate a la verga. Ready?
¿Pero qué decía anoche?
Oh, no, we hiked.
Sí. Oh, what's up?
Is that not?
Where we at, wait?
We put it to the speedway.
Put up to the speedway.
We about to show them our tickets and shit.
Hell yeah, look.
Hey, we made it inside.
We on the way, we come.
Yes, sir.
We on the way. Ya entramos, we already.
Touchdown.
Touchdown the gang.
You already know.
Yeah, all them people y'all see behind us, the clicker.
We coming there.
Yup. All them. We really hosted this shit, really.
Turn on.
Yup. Tight.
Look at that shit. He's with us too.
They about to work truck.
They really say stage bro in the back of this shit, right?
Stage bro right there. Yeah, I thought I read it too. Pizza pura. Oh, you were right there. I don't know if y'all knew, but my boy David got his headliner there a day before we came out here.
Hell yeah, we got the suede done in there.
It's suede.
800 piece with the shooting stars in this motherfucker.
800 people with shooting stars. Brand new black carpet. Yeah, boy, it moves. Come last us away.
Hey, you just gotta move bricks like me.
I know it. Hey, who back? Hey, bro, so who this right here? Who's this? There. Huh? Who's this?
This is my boy Aaron right here, bro.
Bro, come on,
Huh?
Yeah, do it, bro. No. I love it. He got all the clout. That's him. Oh. There's color in it. Where you going, bro?
Right here with my boy Lil Chico, bro. We about to pull up on him.
Go check out their ass, boy. Sneak attack their ass. Let's go through the back. Ugly ass. Come on.
You'll be in the back.
What up, Neil? Hey, good, man. Where the hell you been at?
I made it out.
Hell yeah. What's up, bro?
La clica. What's your chin at?
Los minions, nigga. Los minions. Hey. Where you at, bro?
Oh, yeah, man. We at Atlanta Truck and Base, you know what I'm saying? Here with boys from the clica. You know, shout out La Clica for bringing us out here to his Jeremy.
Yeah, we told him and shit. I let Weber borrow my wheels. Just for the show, Daniel. They let Daniel borrow the truck.
Them wheels really ring.
Jody look like a Toretto. That nigga like, boy. What the hell? I like it, nigga.
Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Why y'all taking videos of my truck way too long?
Let's get this thing cracking. I got you just bend it on over.
Hey, where we going, dude?
Huh?
Where we going?
I want to go to the burnout pit.
Hey, where we going, Carlos?
Burnout pit, cuz.
Burnout pit time.
Sir.
Chris,
Yo.
you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, let's go.
We're gonna swing our feet.
I love it.
Go. This year.
Come on, I love it. Alright, guys, so I just snuck my ass in the Chico's truck.
Hey, man, I don't know how he got in here, but I think he snuck in through the sunroof.
I've been in here for like an hour.
You ain't getting out. Hey,
I'm not.
he about suffocated in his heat. I shit about to stank, boy.
Yeah, I mean, we gotta get this content for y'all. So I snuck my ass in here and we're gonna get it.
Hey, I got y'all. I told him to get out the sunroof, so it's gonna be lit. So y'all stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Alright, so we done swing. My boy JR gonna get out the sunroof. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, one day, like Clica, bro, we gonna be like this.
That's it, Berto.
Hey, we gonna, this shit badass, bro. We finna burn the tires off this motherfucker.
Let's go, boy.
We all made a killing. Came home at a struggle with it. Now I'm spending million. Going hard for the children. Tell the God just a limit. Got my dog in the system. Pay it all to a billion. All for the healing. Cody raw when you sippin'. I lost all of my feelings. Drive a car with no ceiling. Pretty vibes when we chillin'. Smashing hard like an engine. Got a 9 as a semi. For the boys, yeah, silly. Straight up out the struggle. Younger couple brickin', I'ma make it work double. She just let me hit it, and she fucking with my brother. Yo, bitch, she with this shit, and then she telling you she love you, and she put no one above you. I been going hard off at that pace, and I was little. Pick up on my perk, we pop them bitches like these skittles. I whip on off in that jungle, raised by gorillas and some killers that don't give a fuck about none. You niggas free bird. Told my dog I'ma bring her home, that my word. Yeah, bitch, I'm pitching bricks up by that curve. Yeah, you can get your issue on that curve. Way before Corona, we were curb serving. I took a risk to get that paper, it was worth it. I took 100, cut to bricks and started working. You caught me cheating, I broke your heart and you deserve it. Now is it worth it? Came up with a hustle when we all made a killing. Came home at a struggle, now I'm spending million. Going hard for the children, tell the God just a minute. Got my dog in the system, paid out to a pillar.
Shit! Shit, my man.
No man! God damn! Hey, it's all good, it's all good. Hey, hey, you're right there, bust away. Yeah.
Damn.
Fuck. What happened, bro? ¿Qué pasó, la verga? A little too hard.
You know what I'm saying? But you mean, pegó the beard. Oh, well,
Shit happened.
I'm gonna bruise the fuck up. He's swinging, I'm sitting there on the side of the sunroof like.
No, mamas, you got hit, huh?
Yeah. That's good, he was driving. What'd you do? Hey, you see the damn boy tipped it. That's all it is.
Ooh, fuck me running. Hey, all he needs is 2 weeks, he'll get it right.
That's right. Hey,
we
gonna ship this bitch to Texas. Yeah, for real.
Hey, we're gonna ship it over to
Nah, hey, you got a trailer.
Hey,
bro.
at least you didn't break your diff. Wait,
That's
that
real.
that shit happened to me, and man, my diff broke down my bed.
Damn.
Yeah, I was stranded right there. Police were on their way. Oh man, it was horrible.
Yeah, that shit's crazy though.
Luckily, there was a tow truck right around the corner, and I took that nigga, hooked that bitch on. Let's go. Dripping oil all the way down.
Damn, hell no.
Hell yeah.
El famoso ketchup. El famoso ketchup.